keeping up with our motto, let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are with a remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning, students.
Hello students, how are you all? Today we are going to learn the same topic, water safe for drinking, but part 2 from EVS 1. We are going to study how to make water potable. Potable means safe for drinking. During rainy season, sometimes we get the muddy water. Is it safe for drinking, students? No, it is not. So, let's study how we can make muddy water clean. In this jar, you can see the heavy particles are settled down. Middle portion you can see the muddy water, or you can say the dirty water, and the upper layer, the lighter things are floating on it. So let's see how we can make the water clean. Here students, after following few steps, we will get the clean water like this. Start following step 1. Let the muddy water settle down for few hours. The particles of soil sink in the water and form a layer or sediment at the bottom. But twigs and other rubbish float on the water. It takes a long time for the sediment to form. Step 1 is settling. Now what is settling? Particles of soil are heavier than water, but because they are very small, they take a long time to settle to the bottom of the water. Leaves, twigs, etc. are lighter than water. This process of allowing heavier particles to settle to the bottom of still water is called a settling. The muddy water will settle like this. Without disturbing the sediment, pour the water into another beaker. Even though this water appears much cleaner than before, but still some fine particles of soil and some rubbish floating in it. Next step to make the water more clear is swirling alum in water. Take a piece of alum and swirl it once in the water in the beaker. Leave this beaker undisturbed for 2 or 3 hours. What do you see? We can see the particles floating in water slowly settle to the bottom, and the water in the upper part becomes transparent. The twigs and straw still keep floating on the water. What does this tell us? Yes, it tells us swirling alum in water helps the soil particles in muddy water to settle down. Now next step is filtration. Filter the water with the help of the strainer. What will you see? The rubbish and soil particles remain on the cloth. The water collects in the beaker below. It looks transparent. It tells us that if we strain muddy water, it helps to make it clean. This process is called filtration. Students, let's take a quick look how we made water clear. After settling, we have to add alum. Stir it for 5 minutes. Next step, leave it for 2 to 3 hours and then filter it. After filtration, we have to boil the water for 20 minutes because we made the water clear but not safe for drinking. After boiling it for 20 minutes, you can drink the water. Students, you may know that during the rainy season, we often hear of an outbreak of diarrhea or other diseases. At such time, we need to boil the water that has been cleaned by settling and filtration. Only then does it become safe for drinking. Boiling the water kills the microorganisms in it and prevents diseases. What is microorganism? Micro means very small. Organism means a living thing that cannot be seen by the naked eyes or even with the magnifying glass. We can see through the microscope. There are numerous kinds of microorganisms around us. They are in the soil, in water, in air, on rocks, that is anywhere and everywhere. You can see the microorganisms using microscope, because even if harmful microorganisms are present in water, we are not able to see them. Now, though the water with such microorganisms look transparent, would it be safe for drinking? No. Yes, students. Even in clean transparent water, microorganisms can be present. It is necessary to have safe water for drinking. So, water must be boiled to destroy any microorganism. This process is called as making water potable. Potable means what? Means water safe for drinking. Water that does not endanger our health in any way when we drink it is called safe drinking water or potable water. Let's see the benefits of drinking safe water. It improves skin, promotes weight loss, maintains digestion regularity, prevents acne breakouts and increases energy level. So students, always drink safe water, means potable water. Happy learning, students.